The male reproductive system consists of internal and external genitalia. The external genitalia are also called gonapophyses or the phelomeres. We'll first take up the internal genitalia. It consists of testes, the vasa deferens, the right phelomere, left phelomere, seminal vesicle, the ventral phelomere. We'll first take up the testes. One pair, long cylindrical trilobed structure, dorsolaterally present from 4th to 6th abdominal segment. This is a typical structure of male reproductive system. You can see the testes, lobed structures, 3 lobed structures, which continues as vasa deferens, which joins the seminal vesicle. There is an ejaculatory duct and the genital pouch. These are the phelomeres which we were just discussing. The vasa deferens. This is a paired tube-like structure which carries sperms up to the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle is a white, shiny, multi-chambered structure. It stores sperms. The mushroom glands, which are situated above the seminal vesicle, they form layer around the sperms. The entire structure is now known as spermatophore. Ejaculatory duct. It starts from seminal vesicle and opens in the genital chamber by male gonophore. This male gonophore is situated between 8th and 9th segment on the ventral phelomere. Its secretion forms middle layer of spermatophore. Coming to phallic or the conglobulate gland. It is a large gland which opens in genital pouch near the left phelomere by a separate duct. Its secretion forms the outer layer of spermatophore, genital pouch. The ejaculatory duct and the phallic gland opens in the genital pouch. The phelomeres. These are plate-like structures made up of chitin, 3 in number, unpaired and asymmetrical structures. Coming to the female reproductive system. Consists of ovary, oviduct, vagina, genital pouch, spermathecae. We'll first take up ovary. One pair of ovaries present from 2nd to 6th abdominal segment. Each ovary contains 8 ovarioles. Each ovariole produces 1 egg. This is the female reproductive system consisting of ovary, the oviduct, which leads into vagina, the collateral glands, and the genital pore. This is the genital chamber. Oviduct. Paired structure starts from the ovary and carries the ova into the vagina. Vagina, it opens in the genital pouch by female gonopore, which is present in 8th segment on the ventral side. Spermathecae, this is a paired club-shaped structure. The right spermathecae is less developed as compared to the left. Sperms are stored in the spermathecae during copulation. The spermathecae themselves opens into the genital pouch. There is a pair of collateral gland, tree-like structure. The right lobe is less developed. Collateral gland also opens into the genital chamber. Secretion of this gland forms ootheca. The ootheca is made up of a chemical called scleroprotein. In lifespan, 20 to 40 ootheca are formed by a female cockroach. The genital pouch. Its large posterior part is the vestibulum and anterior small part is the genital chamber. Sternum of 7th segment forms 2 apical lobes or the gynovalvular plates that forms boundary of the brood pouch or the genital pouch. The life cycle. Breeding season of cockroach is from March to September, that is the hot and humid conditions. Sex attractant. According to Roth and Willis, the female cockroach secretes pheromones which attracts the male cockroach for copulation. The copulation generally occurs in night and the duration is 1 hour. The female and male cockroach attaches to each other by end-to-end position. The female receives spermatophore from male. After female has received the spermatophore, both male and female cockroaches separates out. The storage of spermatophore. The pore of the spermatophore is connected to the pore of spermathecae. Therefore, from the spermatophore, the sperms are transferred to spermathecae. In next 20 hours, all the sperms are shifted from the spermatophore to the spermatheca, and the empty spermatophore is thrown out by the female. Fertilization. It takes place in the vestibulum. 16 zygotes are formed at one time. Formation of ootheca. Secretion of collateral gland forms ootheca around 16 fertilized eggs. Therefore, each ootheca contains 16 developing embryos. The ootheca is formed in about 20 hours. And for protection purpose, 16 keel, these are tough structures, are present on ootheca. Keel are arranged in 2 rows of 8 each.